Hello everybody and welcome back to the Creative Room! Today is a fun one. You know, when you are inside for a long time and there's nothing else to do, maybe it is time for you to go to your pantry and find some oil, some water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. For what? To make a lava lamp, of course!
What's that?
Oh, I'm about to show you because a lava lamp is a fun experiment that you can do at home that I can guarantee is gonna be so much fun and so entertaining and you're going to love it. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a vase or some type of container, a glass, so that you can put all of your ingredients inside. So you're gonna need like half of the container full of oil, then a little, like a third of the container with water. Are you ready? Let's add our oil and our water. Now, if you have a little one like me, you might wanna use a little funnel so that all of the stuff actually goes inside. So let's try it. So put half of your container full of oil. Woohoo! Good job. Now you're going to add your water. And yeah, I know water and oil don't mix, but that's the fun part. Good job. Now you're gonna use your food coloring and put about 10 drops of your food coloring, depending on the size of your container. Now you don't have to mix this at all, okay? So don't mix it.
Whoa.
Yeah, it doesn't look like much now, but now it's when the fun begins. So what do we do, Jaden?
We put in the Alka-Seltzer tablets.
And watch the magic.
Whoa, it's bubbling.
What do you think? Whoa!
Can't even see the tablet anymore.
No, but look at all of your bubbles going up.
Yeah, they're yellow. Whoa.
But it looks really, really cool. You see like the side? Kind of going up. Ooh, kind of like mine. See? Can you see this?
Whoa.
Oh, if I move it. There you go. There you go. Do you see it go?
It kind of looks like gummies.
Don't try to eat it. Don't eat it.
It's fizzing.
Wow, this is so cool. This was such a fun experiment, and it's all things that you probably have at home. So make your own, enjoy the fuzzy, bubbly, crazy reactions that happen when you mix water and oil and Alka-Seltzer with some food coloring. Make sure you do one at home. Tag us if you do. We would love to see yours, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.